In this video, I'll show you how to fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 11. If your two-finger scroll isn't working on Windows 11, here are some steps you can try. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and check your settings. So go ahead and click on that Windows icon, and under that, you'll be able to find the settings button. So click on that. In your settings, go ahead and head over into the devices tab. So click on this devices tab, and under the devices tab, you'll find the touchpad tab on the left hand side of your screen. So click on that. So under the touchpad settings, you'll be able to find the enabled features of your touchpad. Make sure that you have enabled tap with a single finger and two fingers. Make sure that you have enabled the two-finger scroll feature for your touchpad. So you'll find that once you scroll down into this section. And that is how you can simply fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.